I know I haven't made a video in a while. Um, this story happened back in April, I think it was. It's better to cover it late than never. A Yale University research team has experimented with the brains of dead pigs, and they discovered something very interesting. The brains of 32 dead pigs were gotten to a slaughterhouse. The pigs were killed for their meat, not for this experiment. 4 hours after getting these brains, they were put in a round chamber and they connected blood vessels to them. A chemical cocktail that was carefully put together to reverse brain death, as well as synthetic blood and oxygen, was pumped into these chambers for 6 hours. After this, they found there was organized electrical activity and connections in the brain. There were no brain signals proving the pigs had regained consciousness, but this probably was because the researchers gave them medicine to reduce brain activity. They did this for ethical reasons, thinking that it would not be right if the pigs were conscious. They thought it might cause mental as well as physical pain to them. This experiment has proven wrong some of the assumptions we have had about what happens to the brain when a person or animal dies.